Okay, hi everyone. I'm in the Kwinana off-road dump, off-road area. All these tyres I stacked up and someone's ploughed them all down, and that's the speedway I believe I can hear in the distance there. So the Kwinana township is in that direction. See what I mean by rubbish dump. Tradies again, pinching all the copper. Anyway, what I come down here for was I wanted to do a test, but I wanted to use the other pipe, the 60.5mm one, but I couldn't be bothered with all the changeover. But point was, barometric pressure today jumped up to 125. It's down to probably about 121 or something now, according to my cheap barometer gauge. But I just want to see what it'll do. So it's just everything else is normal that I use, 20% diesel and petrol, 2-stroke oil. But I've got the afterburner, and this is a 70mm diameter pipe, which is actually imperial in inches, 2 and something, and inside diameter at 67mm inside diameter. Pretty thick pipe. It certainly won't, it'll last 1,000 years, this one. As long as I don't stick it on a RC aeroplane and crash it. That's how I get off the ground anyway. But anyhow, let's just fire it up and make some noise. Oh yeah, here's something different. Well, not really that different. The BP refinery. See it over there? Flames? Wow, it's letting off some ripper flames. Earlier on it was really black smoke coming off. There's none of that. There must be some gas coming out of it now, but that refinery is in the process of getting shut down. What's going on with this? I'm going to need the torch now too. Everything else, like I said, is standard. Do it.